What's going on? Michael Petty here. So in this video, I just want to get straight to the point and talk about paid traffic and organic traffic. Now, if you're looking for a fast flow of traffic, you want to go paid. The thing is about the paid traffic, you do have to warm up your prospects. So you have to get to know you. The know, like, and trust factor has to be built. You got to build the rapport, right? So with organic traffic, that's through YouTube videos, social media, different forms of social media, uh, email marketing. Because a lot of times when people do email marketing, it's drive them back to the video they created in YouTube or to their Facebook, Instagram, whatever form of social media that you want to pick, to master is the route you go, right? No matter what it is, all forms of marketing work. Every last one of them. There's somebody who has made money doing a particular one. You need to find one to fit your skill set, your personality. You got people that post to all social media, right? You got people who just focus on Facebook, one or two strategies. I like posting to multiple, just what I prefer to do. Lately, the past few signups I've been having into Power Lead System and getting leads and signups to Exitus Elite has all been through organic marketing. Let me tell you this, I'm gonna be honest. Paid traffic, if you're looking for some quick sales, paid traffic is good. If you have lower price points in your business, they do take fast action, and most likely they will also leave. To be honest, the people that stuck with me the longest, the people, you got some people that do quit, go to other things. You got people that stick with you still. The ones that stick with me the longest are the people who I'm in on social media, people who have checked me out through free organic traffic. So the way you do organic traffic, and what you want to do is you want to get out there every single day. Now, do you have to post a video every day? You ain't got to do a video every day. But you want to show up every single day on your favorite platform. Okay, Twitter, you can post all day long. Instagram, I don't know the rules to Instagram. I do post there, but I don't care for Instagram too much, to be honest with you. I like doing YouTube. I love doing Facebook. I do post to Twitter, and I'm gonna give you a little Facebook strategy. Now, you got some people, right, who post every single day. You got some people who post multiple times a day. You got some people who post once every few days. And what I've noticed is that when you post multiple times a day, it seems to bring down your engagement. When you post once a day, you have better engagement. Sometimes when you have a powerful post, you can post that and you can wait maybe 2 or 3 days before you post it again, and you actually get more engagement. Or when you post something and you get engagement, you can go back and engage with those who have engaged on your post without posting the next day, and that brings more engagement. That's somewhat how the algorithm works with Facebook. A lot of times, it could be changed. It can change tomorrow, right? You never know. It can be the same through. Who knows? But organic traffic is, in my opinion, the best traffic. The best traffic, because like I said, with paid traffic, you're going to have to warm them up. With organic traffic, you already warming them up. These individuals feel like they know you a little bit. They can resonate with you. Now, paid traffic, you warm up your list. You email them on a regular basis. You cut videos. You shoot that video. You broadcast that video out to your list, where it's you, so they can see your face. They can connect with you, get to know who you are as a person. Because people join people. Don't just rely on the business itself. Even if you have an email campaign that's going out to your people, that's fine and dandy. But you want to also do a broadcast showing your face. They can hear your voice. Tell them your story. This is my story. In the grocery warehouse for 20 plus years, want to make additional money, didn't want to go out there and get a second job, so I came online, positioned myself to earn $1,000 commissions online using the funnel process through Power Lead System, which is $1,000 commissions created for me, and also position myself in Exitus Elite, which pays you directly. As soon as a person make the payment, the money is immediately available to you, meaning they pay, you can go spend the money. Get it paid to Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Western Union. You get to pick how you get paid. You only pay one time with Exitus Elite. No yearly fees, no monthly fees. There's no time limit on when you can upgrade. If you want to come in at the $100 level and you want to upgrade, you don't have a certain amount of time. The max you're going to pay is $2,400. You want to start low and upgrade level by level. You're only going to pay the difference through the whole entire shebang. Great ownership, great leadership, online marketing training, personal development, resources, just so much inside of Exitus Elite. And with Power Lead System, you get 2 days a week fast start training. You in Lead Generation Academy, you get that training. You have a Facebook group that is very active. So you ask a question, get your answer there in Power Lead System. Power Lead System and Exitus Elite are the 2 opportunities I have planted my flag in. I'm not afraid to tell anybody at any point I'm not open. I'm not interested. I got people reaching out to me left and right on Facebook, and I tell them straight up I'm not open. You know, they come back, you haven't even taken a look. I don't need to take a look. Power Lead System, Exitus Elite, I don't need anything else. I got my traffic sources added in there. I got everything. Now, you want to tell me about a traffic source or a traffic idea you have? I'm all ears. But Exitus Elite and Power Lead System are the businesses that I am part of, and I am in it to the end. So this is Michael Petty signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.